Hello, Elementor Perez-Carreno here, and in this very brief video for the series, we will look at the initial WordPress settings that you need for your Elementor website. The first time you log into your WordPress dashboard, you're going to see something similar to this, which is the dashboard. So you'll see a welcome screen and then probably the site health status, as well as other sections. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is to go in and make sure you have the right settings. So go to settings here on the left and select general. That will take you to the general settings for the website. So as you can see here, the site title is not gonna be my name or your name or whatever it is called when it comes as a default. So maybe this will be something like Wood Pros, and then the tagline can be something that makes sense for your business. In this case, the best woodworking at your door. Okay, and then this is the current domain, so you can leave this as is. We're going to talk about that later on in the course. The administration email address, you have to make sure that this is a real address that you can receive email on. And then I like to change the time zone at this point. Just make sure you are in a time zone that makes sense for yourself. So here, for instance, we want to make sure we have Central Time. There we are. The date format is fine, the time format is fine, and the week starts on Monday. So I'm going to save the changes here. There we are. And that's everything we need to do in this particular screen. We've got the right language and we're good. Now the next thing we want to change right before we do anything is go to the permalinks tab over here under settings and make sure that you have post name selected. This helps a lot for SEO and just simply for people to browse your site or to look at links from your site. It's much easier to read something like your website.com/ the name of the post rather than a question mark p equals 1 2 3. So we're gonna do that too, save changes, and that's it. That's the basic changes that you have to do to get started. Now there's an additional change you might want to do for Elementor, but we're gonna do that once we install it. So in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and install Elementor as well as Elementor Pro, and I'll explain the differences between the two and why I recommend using both of them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to get access to new content as it comes along.